Hi, I will tell you how to generate the API in this voice interface. Okay, uh, when you log in with your user ID and password, you will see this screen. Okay, you have to click on this broadcast option. Okay, and this now this screen will appear. Okay, uh, first you have to upload the announcement through this link. Okay, already I have shared the announcement video how to upload the announcement. Okay, after uploading the announcement you can able to generate the API for sending the voice call. Okay, after uploading announcement you have to click on this API. Okay, and this page will appear. From here you can generate the API for sending a voice call. Okay, API type I have selected broadcast API. Okay, means broadcast API means this API is used for sending a voice call. That's why I have selected the broadcast API. Okay, there are many types of API like this: check balance, announcement. Okay, upload announcement API is there. Okay, and dynamic IVR, TTS, uh, many other options is there. Main option is broadcast API. Okay, you have to select this broadcast API, and then announcement type of announcement is announcement. Okay, you have to select this announcement. Okay, from here you have to choose the announcement, which announcement you will use for sending a call. uh, all the announcement that you have uploaded already uploaded will be show here. You have to select any one of the announcement. Okay, plan type will be amount, and this is the plan. Okay, token is already inserted in this account. If the token is not generated, the here one button will be shown to generate the token. Okay, so a token is already generated, that's why it is automatically taken. Okay, first time if it is not generated token, you have to click on this generate token to generate the token, and the token will be then already will be automatically inserted over here. Okay, input wait time keep 0. Okay, and then you have to put the contact number whom you want to send a call. If you sending a call one by one on one time on one number, again you API will be hitted, and then another number, like you have to put only one number here. If you are sending a calls on a multiple numbers at a time through API, then you have to put the number through comma separated, number 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 comma, like that. Okay, so I have writing the numbers like this: comma, comma. I have written the number like this. Okay, so I have written three numbers. The call will be sent to the three numbers at a time, means in a single API hit. Okay, so I have used the three numbers over here. Okay, if the numbers is not in country code is not included here, so choose no. If the 91 is included in the number, you have to choose yes. Country code included, I have chosen no. Okay, and then you have to click on submit button to generate the API. Okay, you can see the API generated. Okay, you have to copy paste this API and have to send to your developer, or if you are developer, then you can indicate in your system or web application. Okay, so I will show you where the number is showing. Okay, mobile, this is the first number 999. Okay, you have to put here the number of that person that will receive a call. Okay, means the call sent to that person. First number to mobile, yeah, in this, and this is the second number 888. You have to change this number. Okay, and this is the third number. Okay, you have to change this number, and you can indicate this API in your system, and the call will start sending. Okay, thank you very much.